okurugirira hari Dr. Yusuf Chebaya omukuru w'ebyamatungo embuze mwebire yakwasirwa oburwaire bw'embwa yamazire kwitwa no kuzikwa.
I've just buried a goat which has died of rabies, and this goat has manifested this signs of rabies, especially becoming aggressive. We tried to treat, but on suspicion that the way how it is behaving, it's rabies case, it was salivating, and then from there it started biting anything that comes across, started running around.
Ogunagira ngo embwa zone zino oburwaire niziteberezebwa kuba zitaragemerwe mwaka oguhwire.
Here we celebrated Rabies Day, that was 28th September. We happened to vaccinate some good number of dogs. Some remained, and we suspect those one which remained, especially those one which were not having the owners in the town, might have been the source of that rabies.
Omushaki wetu yahika mu kyaro ekyarairwe omu Central Division aho embuze egi ebire nekomoka kandi ebe nibyo batugambira.
Embuze kene shasha eketarije embuzi ekeri nkembwa ngwene eri kwenda nko kuruma eketa kirya bishushu eketa kirya binyansi ekatanka kugumana ebya nitaka eri kurya nk'amabare ke bintu bigumagumira eri kuronda yataka kuryitaka.
Abantu bagira ngo nangwe embuze egi tihine kintu cyona ekyebire nerya
nitubiseho nka family nizo kusomesa abana ishomero na Chamuka guzaho nk'embuzi nk'emobi bine nebasa kutwara omwana ishomero ngiye yakwatwe kirwire yafu
webayi netekwa kuba yarira aha byo kurya embwe byakozere ki ebiyariyeho oba nekira kuba eryo mu kicweka embwa ezikora ki ezikuba ziri
baza jizika hati nza kuronda mu optirizo buriyo bwagitize nza kubihayo kugira ngo mbonage kumba nimbuyamo mbafu bwa buriyo mezi kumba nimbuyamo mbafu bwa buriyo bushatu ngwataho bubiri hata kamwenza kakwata nza kateko mu ngareji kankona ukache neshaga matera juira praninga nkembuzi nkoko ebire rukusha yatona tunaza kubankayo.
Omushaho nayongera agira ngo bategerize omubazi okuruga mu ministry rero bakagema embwa zona gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.